I'm starting this video off like a real Canadian, okay? Some Tim Hortons, Timmy's. Scouted this field yesterday. It was probably, I don't know, 150 geese. Mostly big geese. Lots of ducks. Ducks everywhere. They're flying right now, actually. But we got Brandon out here for round 2. Geese only, no ducks. Ducks aren't open, and yeah, I'll show you the spread. Got a few full bodies out. With the dive bombs. Not too big of a spread. Got the blind over there in a little dip by the blueberries. I think it's a good hide. Hopefully these honkers do it good today. Shoot them, shoot them, shoot them, shoot them, shoot them up top, shoot them up top. That was one down.
He's undialed.
Go get him, James.
Undialed that one.
They were just, you know what, Jaden? After all these times of not shooting, I'm saying shoot them.
Yeah, I agree.
It's over, you know?
Yeah.
You know, when they fly away and you could have shot them, it's worse feeling.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at all the wedging. Look at all the wedging. I can't believe ducks aren't open. Imagine that, boy. Imagine shooting into that.
They're pretty small ones. And next year, let's not clean the storm wedge.
Yeah. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, imagine shooting at those, Sean. Hey? Okay, look at this. Where? Where?
Right there, isn't it? Oh no, I'm on something.
Well, we only got one there. For some reason, I guess the birds didn't show up. It's about 11 o'clock now. That's why it's still hunting, right? Hopefully when we come back, hopefully when we come back, we're going to be on some other geese, okay? Whether it's today or another day, right? Well, yesterday I found a feed of probably 300 to 500 lessers. A few honkers in there. So we set up about 20 dozen silhouettes, mixed them with full bodies. Got some snow geese decoys out there, swans or whatever. It should be a good hunt, hopefully. Lots of lessers, so it might be some far shooting, but that's alright. Stay tuned. Get ready, boys. Get ready, Derek. Get ready. Hit that on. Yep, turn it on.
It's not working.
Because it's off. It's okay.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Really, you gotta
Derek, this thing's on?
Swans. Really watch this.
Yeah. Wait, boys.
These geese are coming.
Jaden, you gotta watch your face. Don't move, boys. Wait. Get ready, boys. Get ready. Get ready.
Boys, we're gonna shoot these.
Shoot them. Nice, boys. Look, that one's going down.
Good shooting, boys.
Not bad at all. They were out there. Look, that one didn't go down, eh?
No. Dad might have to shoot this.
I want Derek to shoot it if it's over here.
Okay.
Put it around his head, Derek. Ready?
Wait.
Kill him there. Kill him there.
Wait.
Kill him there. Kill him.
Shoot him, Derek. Shoot him, Derek.
Nice shot! Kill the crow! Wait, don't kill it. Nice shot! Sorry, guys. Hey, you killed it, man. First shot.
Buddy.
You got it, buddy.
Right here.
Wait, down.
Should we poke these? Well, I might as well. Wait. Get him over top.
Poke him.
Boy.
Sailor?
Buddy, go get him, bro. Go get him.
Pick him up, Dewey. That's that solo Derek shot. Pick him up. He's okay. He won't hurt you. Grab him by the legs. Yeah, he's died. He's dead. Big honker. Let's go. Welcome back.
This is so heavy.
Okay, put it down. Take a break.
Grab him by his neck, drag it in. Grab him by his neck and drag him.
Behind us, Noah, right? Careful.
You want me to look?
No. Noah, right here. Get ready. Get ready. I'm gonna shoot these two, okay?
You took that one right there?
Yeah, dude, they just landed there. Wait, don't shoot it. They just landed there, Noah. Didn't even see them.
Shoot it or not?
Yeah, we're gonna have to shoot that. Just wait. Yeah, go. Run as fast as you can. We got one, buddy. That was wild. I wish Noah could have got to shoot, but they were just right there. Like when I was standing outside the blind. What's that all about? Shoot him, Noah. Probably could have just grabbed him too, but he's also new, so he doesn't really want to be ringing necks. Noah, he's good. Hey, he's good. Well, we got one. They didn't really decoy, but they came over here. That's wild. They were all of a sudden just there. I can't believe it. I was standing outside the blind. You want to hit him in the head, eh? When you do that, right? You also could have just grabbed him and wrung his neck, but it's all right. Let's see. Yeah. You good? Safety on? They're coming right at us, I think. Just wait. Right here. Get ready. Get ready to shoot the one on the far right, okay? Shoot him. Nice. No, you smoked him. Nice shot, buddy. This one's going down, and we're gonna get him too. We got them both. That one just went down. In that field, right there. It's all right, stay here, get in the blind. Close my blind. And he's stone dead when I get up to him. I thought I hit you. Look in the neck and everything. Smoked it. Absolutely smoked it, and he came over here. That's just nuts. Well, two honkers came in. Me and Noah killed them both. Real man over here. He undialed the one I was shooting at sailed, but you undialed that thing, eh?
Yeah, a little bit of a snipe.
Yeah. We're starting this off killing a cripple. Here. We're starting this off with a cripple. Got a recorder on my phone. Don't have my GoPro. These are a couple high flyers. This one sailed 300, 400 yards. But we got one. A late start to the morning. Had to get the decoys out, so. Big honker. Ready. You shoot those ones on that side. Wait.
There's three right overhead.
Yeah. Wait. I'm shooting these ones. Shoot these ones. Those ones stayed there. Wait. Those ones stayed there. The two stayed right there. Hey, we got two. Let's go. Big honkers in there. Well, it's the last day of late season goose. We hunted this morning, got 3. Now we're gonna set up on the river, have a little fire, try and build ourselves a blind here out of driftwood. See what we could do with all that. We just got some full bodies here. I've had one goose do it in our spread in this spot, but it's not a bad chance. Get that fire going, get the blind set up. Okay. If we get those on fire. Killing me. see it? Dude, it was a beaver. Let me walk right up to it. I did. I was looking. I was like, "That a muskrat? Look at. They never look like a rat, eh?" If you could legally shoot those things, I'd shoot them. I'd shoot him right now. Those things make trenches like it's going out of style. I can't believe he doesn't care about right here. I thought it was something carrying something in its mouth.
What a cheat.
This stuff ignites right away, right? Like gas?
Guess we're gonna have to find out.
Oh my god, I'm stupid. This smoke will probably... You hear that? I thought I heard that too.
Look up.
Seagull.
Bunch of gulls.
This smoke might spook the geese, but maybe not. If they come in front of us, we'll put a hurting on them. It's getting late though. Like literally, we'll probably only have like 30 minutes left of shooting light, but that's, you never know, it's enough time. It's more about the fire, coming out here for the fire. Surprisingly went from that piece of tissue. Some of that stuff was dry obviously. This is one of the ones we shot earlier in the day. We're gonna cook it up. We're gonna cut these things off, and we'll come back to you guys when I got these breasts seasoned in the pan. They went down the middle, dude. No way. Right at last light, two honkers come over the ferry and look like they're gonna come right in. Oh, that got me going. Look at those beauties. Steak spice, garlic powder. Oh, should we put some butter in there? Yeah, there we go. Boy, I could even use some more. Let's get her on the fire. Probably should get the pan hot on the fire before we put the steaks on, but we don't have a table, so this is how it's gonna go. And I hear geese in the background. Killing me. Well, this is an interesting night. Never had a fire while hunting, I'll tell you that. Well, goose hunting or duck hunting. What is this? The honker's going off. See, we got a little bit of a slant going on here, right? It's actually cooking pretty fast. I'm surprised. Well, not really, but... We got a good heat now. Yeah, these beauties are done. Up there. Huh? Too bad I don't have my other lights. Running off the phone light right now. Not bad, okay, let's go ahead. Right here.
What a guy.
Honestly,
How is it?
right out of it.
It's like a steak.
No game taste. It's not coming out. It's so unbelievably good, I can't even believe it.
That is like a steak.
Yeah.
That is like the best. That's like a.
Because I sliced it to make it thinner pieces, right? Oh, that's unreal.
That is so good.
Oh, that's unreal.
Unbelievable.
Hey?
Unbelievable.
Let's get into here again here.